Hello everyone, how's your day? And how's your computer? Can I just say that your computer is going slow and slower day by day? That's annoying, isn't it? Of course, you know that very well. You just waste your time waiting for that program running to finish the command, and it becomes stressful when you're being chased by your task deadlines. Do you know that those things can be caused by full loaded RAM, but that doesn't mean it can be fixed, right? We will fix it. Did you know what causes RAM fill up quickly? It's because we installed so much programs or softwares, or we have some program take up the space from those causes. There are several solutions to reduce the amount of RAM used. The solution can be directly using some default program on a computer, like control panel, task manager, or it can also be done by replacing computer hardware or upgrading the computer hardware. Well, you need a lot of money, I think. So there are several solutions that are presented to deal with slow computer problems, which we will present only 3 of the existing solutions. We will briefly explain about RAM and then the 3 solutions. So don't be sad, here we are. We have come to the right video because we are going to guide you how to beat that, to beat your slow computer, to make it run faster than ever. Yeah, that part was a joke. So without further ado, here we go.
First, let us briefly explain about RAM. Computer random access memory is one of the most important components in determining your system performance. RAM gives application a place to store and access data on short-term basis. It stores the information your computer is actively using so that it can be accessed quickly. The more programs your system is running, the more you'll need. RAM allows your computer to perform many of its everyday tasks, such as loading applications, browsing the internet, editing a spreadsheet, or experience the latest game. Memory also allows you to switch quickly among these tasks, remembering where you are in one task when you switch to another task. As a rule, more memory you have, the better. So from the previous explanation, we can understand how important the role of RAM on a computer. That is to help the computer to execute a program. There are several causes that make your computers perform slow. One of which is because the storage space on RAM is full quickly. Do you know what causes storage space on RAM to quickly fill up? Here's some causes of RAM on your computer to be full quickly. First, maybe a lot of program execute or too much software on the computer, and less storage capacity on RAM, or the physical condition of the RAM is problematic or has been damaged.
After understanding RAM's brief explanation, we will next explain how the solution presents itself. The first is to uninstall the user's program using control panel. The reason we have to use this solution is if the computer cause of being slow is a result of substantial number of installed programs. Any fixed program will definitely need a place on the RAM even if it is not in use, so that the remaining RAM number will be fewer and fewer for the program being used. In this solution, all we need is an exact control panel on every computer, exciting because it's an handwritten program. First, click the Windows Start button to open menu. Search the control panel afterward. Then, look closely and look after the part in the program. A few computer can call Program and Features. Below the program menu is a link that reads Uninstall a program. Click the link so that all the embedded program appears. Then we will select which program we want to uninstall. Click right and choose Uninstall. Let's show alert confirmation and select Yes to uninstall.
The second solution is managing the tasks of the program using a task manager. This solution will be used if installed programs are important, whether they be for school, work, playing games, or for other purpose, where the program is running in the background automatically. Of course, we will then know if the program was running, which means it will take place on RAM. So the point of the previous explanation is we need to disable or uninstall the program that shouldn't run. so that the amount of RAM are available for the programs being used. All we need in this solution is the task manager on your computer. Let's just find out about how to manage the program. First of all, open a task manager. You can click by using right-click on the blank taskbar space. Then click on the Start Task Manager or Task Manager. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-Escape, then choose the program, then press Delete. The Task Manager will be opened and there are some tabs. Then click the Processes tabs that are usually located in the upper left corner of the Task Manager windows. After that, you can see all the running programs on memory usage. Select the program are supposed not to run to reduce RAM usage. Finally, click the program and click the End Task button at the bottom right hand corner of the window. You can see the difference about the usage memory before and after managing.
We are going to the final solution, which is about replacing the RAM. This solution is the best solution if you want to put in a lot of programs or don't bother to text the program with the task manager. If you have those two reasons, then it will be more to replace the size of the RAM than to have to bother organizing the program every time the computer is used. Even so, it doesn't mean you just replace the RAM. There are requirements and steps to take, which are: first, check the size of the RAM that has been supported or can be used by the PC. Afterward, select the RAM and the specification include the type and speed that the RAM will install on the PC eventually. Then prepare the necessary tools and materials. Pull out the external cable, screw, and then press the RAM latch to pick up the RAM. Put in the new RAM and put it back up. Lastly, install RAM and to see if RAM can function properly.
And that's it, everyone. You should try those tips to your computer. It's worth the time right now to save your time later. So see you, everyone.